Growth in e-commerce is fueling the rise in omnichannel fulfillment. Retailers need a solution that supports store replenishment and direct-to-consumer orders from a single distribution center while accommodating demand fluctuations, SKU proliferation, and changes in order profiles. The Dematic pouch sorter helps you get ahead of market changes by getting orders out the door easily, quickly, and efficiently. Designed for omnichannel operations, Dematic pouch sorter is a modular system that adapts easily to SKU proliferation and demand fluctuations due to pouches that can be added or left to idle depending on operational needs. Returns processing is also seamless with Dematic pouch sorter. After inspection, returned items are placed into pouches and immediately available for the next order. Items of various types can be inducted into the pouches. These include folded garments, shoe boxes, accessories, books, and general merchandise. Garments on hangers and items that do not fit in the pouch can be suspended from a built-in hook. All articles then can be inducted into and temporarily stored in a single system. A typical system includes loading, buffering, transport, sortation, and packing areas on one or more levels. The layout can be configured to fit nearly any space. The modular design of the Dematic pouch sorter supports the easy handling of demand variations, for example Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, without sacrificing productivity. When demand is low, it is simple to idle unnecessary capacity. Dematic pouch sorter can be implemented in new or existing facilities and can accommodate any layout or specific building needs. The system takes advantage of unused overhead space, making it ideal for space-constrained operations or areas with very expensive real estate. Dematic pouch sorter can easily integrate with an automated or a static inventory system, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Powered by intelligent Dematic software, Dematic pouch sorter prioritizes and processes urgent orders, eliminating the need for wave planning and multi-stage sortation. The inventory can consist of newly picked items needed to fulfill orders or returned items. Inventory is buffered in long loops up to 100 meters that circulate continuously. The Dematic pouch sorter then sorts, sequences, and delivers those pouches and hanging items to the packaging station for consolidation and further processing. Save energy and labor with Dematic pouch sorter's modular and flexible design. You can easily adjust throughput to match actual volume demands and reduce unnecessary capacity. New modules can easily be added to existing systems to accommodate changing business conditions and growth in volume. Typical use cases are high-volume each picking operations, garments on hanger with less than 3 kilograms, distribution centers with space constraints or odd layouts, high seasonal peaks, for instance Black Friday. High returns volumes, same-day or next-day delivery. Items can be sorted for delivery in aisle-friendly sequence or any desired arrangement, for example size or color, to retail locations, taking costs, time, complexity, and mistakes out of restocking. It's easy for an operator to combine discrete elements of an order and to fulfill both retail and e-commerce orders at one station. Regardless of the number of items in an order, the operator pulls the items out of the pouches or takes them off the hook and packs them.